So the concept is regarding S3. So which stands for, so we know that simple storage service. So which is act similar to what? Which provides the cloud storage. Okay. Which provides the cloud storage for your account. So in here we are going to create a storage location which is called as what? Which is called as the bucket. So in a single account, we're going to get how many buckets? It's possible to create the nearly 100 buckets. So we need to, yeah, just assume we have two types of accounts, retail account as well as and pay as you go account. In free trade account, we're going to store up to 5 GB of data. In pay as you go account, we're going to store up to 5 GB of data. So next thing, we are going to store which type of files here. We need to store text files, either the PDF documents and Word files, or it may be in dot images and audio and video, or different types of what and multimedia files. Okay, we can store every type of file in the S3 bucket. But here, so what are the files you stored? Okay, whatever the file you stored, every file it considered as object. We call each and every file as not an object here. This is the thing. So coming to next step, different types of buckets. So we have two types of buckets. One is the public bucket. Second one is the public bucket and private bucket. So today we're going to discuss about the how to create public bucket, how to create private bucket. Okay. So today agenda is what? Creating the buckets. Creating the buckets in what? Both public and private. Second one is how to upload the files and upload the files and folders. Okay, so let me go to S3 bucket first. So just go to an S3 bucket first. Just a second. So open the Amazon account, search for the service S3 here and open the S3. Just click on S3 management console. So so these are what? The buckets which I created previously. I want to create a new bucket. Okay, click on what? Create bucket. Just click on create the bucket here. So automatically, so what happened? Observe the location here. Okay. So not watching here what? Global. A bucket is globally accessible. Okay. So one more point I forgot here. The bucket name and must be what? Must be unique globally. Okay. The bucket name will not be repeated. Your bucket name is repeated, then the bucket will create. Automatically you will get one error. Already the bucket name is exists. Okay. Manapur code or warrant. Okay, I'm sure to you. I want to create a bucket in this North Virginia region. I mentioned the bucket name is what? Some demo bucket is there. Okay. Demo bucket. I choose some default settings. So click on what? Create bucket. Create of the ending. Bucket name is what? Already exists. Demo bucket create bucket. Already exists. 24. ఇది కూడా ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయి ఉంటుంది ఆల్రెడీ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ So ఏమవుతాం ఇక్కడ డెమో బకెట్ brand 9056. So random number. So what happened? So I don't want to choose anything. Give the bucket name and click on create bucket. Now it's going to get created. It's going to get created now.
నెక్స్ట్ చేయాలా
ఎంత కూడా చేసుకోవచ్చు.
నీకు ఒక బకెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసిందా ఆ బకెట్ ఒక స్టోరేజ్ ఎంత అనేది మనం ఫిక్స్ చేయలేదు ఆటోమేటికల్లీ ఫిక్స్ అయిపోయాడు కదా
Up to 5 GB you can store in a single bucket or you are going to share multiple buckets. Your wish.
బకెట్ ఈజ్ ఫోల్డర్
Storage location similar to folder. Okay. So we created which bucket here? So demo bucket mode 90. The buckets and objects are not public. So which is nothing but one private bucket. So if you want to create public bucket, అది చేస్తాను కొంచెము.
పబ్లిక్ బకెట్ క్రియేట్ చేసాము మనం అది వేరే అకౌంట్ నుంచి కూడా ఈ బకెట్ మనం యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చా ఇప్పుడు మీ అకౌంట్ లో ఒక పబ్లిక్ బకెట్ క్రియేట్ చేశారు నా అకౌంట్ ఓపెన్ చేసి సేమ్ అదే బకెట్ లో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ ని నేను చూడొచ్చా
చూడొచ్చు బట్ యూజర్ పర్మిషన్ కావాలి.
ఓకే
Only you require the user permission. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ డెమో బకెట్ కూడా ఉంది, కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతారు. I want to edit this bucket. So now I want to create the one private bucket. You can create bucket. So region, we can choose the region as you wish. North Virginia ka ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం US East లో తీసుకోవచ్చు. Region must be your wish. Global must be global ఎవరికైనా కనిపిస్తుంది బట్ క్రియేషన్ మాత్రం ఒక రీజన్ మాత్రమే. ఓకే సో US East to US East one your wish based upon your requirement. So bucket name demo bucket suppose. So what is my previous bucket name? I just go to the bucket. So what is my previous bucket name? Demo bucket 9056. Suppose I'm going to create the same bucket name. So I'm going to change the region. I'm going to go demo bucket 9056 again. ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం క్రియేట్ అవుతుందో లేదో. I want to make it private. Uncheck the block on public access and acknowledge this. Click on create bucket. What happened? Create in the no already
exists.
So దీని బట్టి ఏమర్థమైంది మనకి ఆటోమేటిక్ గా the buckets must be globally unique. The bucket must be globally unique. Give some different number 9057. So click on more create bucket. Now it's going to create. So once the bucket is created, you are able to show like this 9057. Objects can be public. Objects are ఇక్కడ whatever the files you store in the bucket must be public here. Okay. So in this manner, we are going to create the buckets. Next one, uploading a files and folders. So to upload files and folders, choose any one of the bucket. I'm going to choose the public bucket now, 9057. Click on what? Upload option. Add files and add folder. We can add the individual files as well as folder here. So just click on add files. This PC. So I'm going to choose this particular 11am folder. So different types of files is available. So I can store
folder.
Okay, I can store these 4 files. So click on what? Upload. It will take some time. After that, it will be uploaded. It will be uploaded. So in this way, we upload the individual files. I want to upload the folder. Click on what? Upload, add folder. Click on add folder. Choose again AWS 11am. Choose what? AWS 11am folder. Upload it. Click on upload. So you're able to see this many files. Suppose I don't want all these files. I want to remove some of the files. I want to add only 27 things. Select all. It's unchecked. Click on remove.
Oh,
The files must be removed from this location, not from the folder. You can change to remove. Okay. Click on remove here. We have only 2 files. Click on what? Upload.
ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఫోల్డర్ లో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ మొత్తం చూపిస్తుంది.
ఫైల్స్ మొత్తం కాకుండా కొన్ని తీసుకున్నాను ఇప్పుడు నేను నా రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ప్రకారం. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి. So I have what? 4 files and 1 folder. Folder contains what? Only 2 files. Only 2 files. Next one, I want to create a folder first. I want to create a folder and I want to upload the files and folders. So create folder. Folder name is what? New AWS. New AWS. Click on create folder. So what happened? New AWS folder is created. Just open it. Now I want to upload the. Click on add files. I'm going to upload a document here. Click on system manager. Click on open. I'm going to upload the PDF file. So click on upload. So it should take some time. So what happens successfully? The file must be uploaded. Similarly, I want to upload an image. I want to upload an image. Let me try. Add files again. Go to desktop. Click on this image here and open. Click on upload.
అప్లోడ్
Upload it. Let me open it. Just open. Show the open అవుతుందో. Successfully the image is open. So if you want to open this one, which must be downloaded sometimes. So next one, I want to upload one audio file. Audio file is there or not in my system. So audio is not there. I want to upload some executable file or some PNG file. Okay, let me check for another format. Workout of nature. Upload this one. So open the PNG also. Click on open. Successfully open. So I want to upload one executable file, one application. So download. Upload this file. Let me check. It will take some time. Just wait. What happened successfully? The executable file also uploaded. Okay, MSA. The executable file also uploaded. I want to upload a folder now. So click on upload, add folder again. So I want to add what? To variable jobs. How many files are there? This many files are there. I want to remove some of the files. Remove. And then what? Upload. Just click on close.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు అప్లోడ్ చేసిన ఫైల్ సపోజ్ నా అకౌంట్ నుంచి నేను చూడాలనుకుంటే ఏం చేయాలి? పర్మిషన్స్ ఎలా ఇవ్వాలి?
Next class లో basic uploading బట్టి
ఓ
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ లో మనకి we have to discuss about the website hosting. అప్పుడు పర్మిషన్ ఇస్తాం, ఎలా ఇస్తామని.
ఓ
ఓకే. సో ఇన్ దిస్ manner we need to upload the. సో ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. Go to buckets again. Demo bucket 9057. So new AWS, within new AWS we have
ఫైల్స్
4 files and 1 folder. The folder contains the different types of files.
అప్లోడ్ చేసి డిలీట్ చేయాలంటే ఒక్కో ఫైల్ డిలీట్ చేయాలా లేకపోతే బకెట్ మొత్తం డిలీట్ చేస్తే ఆటోమేటిక్
దానికి నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ చెప్తాను. ఓకే. సో in this manner we can upload the files, folders, and we can going to create the folders as well as we are going to upload the files and folders within the single folder. So now I want to delete the bucket. Suppose I want to delete this bucket 9056. Let me open this bucket. The bucket does not contain any information. So go to bucket again. Select 9056. Just click on delete. And type what? Just copy paste the bucket name. Click on what? Delete the bucket. So next one, I want to delete the demo bucket 9057. Click on what? Delete. It will show an error. What is the error here?
The bucket must be empty before the
The bucket must be empty before what?
అంటే అందులో ఉన్న ఫైల్స్ మొత్తం డిలీట్ చేసి అప్పుడు బకెట్ డిలీట్.
Then only the bucket must be deleted.
ఓకే.
So go to the bucket again. Go to the bucket. So just select the bucket here. Just click on empty. You will click on empty, then what happens? All the files and folders in the bucket must be deleted. Mention the bucket name, not bucket name. Type the permanently delete. Click on it. Exit. Now check demo bucket 9057. What happened? Complete files must be deleted. So go to bucket again. Click on what? Delete now. Now you are not able to see any type of error. So let me copy the bucket name here. Click on delete button. So in this manner, we're going to create and delete the buckets. So this is the first thing. So second thing here is we need to choose bucket versioning. So we need to choose bucket properties. So let me open one of the bucket. Input bucket is there for me. So we need to choose bucket properties. Okay. So what are the objects here? Objects are nothing but the files which are must be stored in the bucket. So go to properties. We discuss some of the properties. Bucket overview. What is bucket? Region. In which region the bucket is created? Second one, bucket ARN. ARN stands for Amazon resource name. So by using this resource name, we are going to use the bucket in some other applications. If you want to use some bucket, some other applications, don't use bucket name. Just use this particular ARN. Okay. Third one, creation date.
Okay.
Date and time of the bucket creation, date and time. So bucket versioning. Let me discuss bucket versioning. Tags, no need to mention any tags. Default encryption. Enabled is nothing but the contents in the bucket must be encrypted format. Okay, no one can hack it. intelligent tiling. So we need to call it as storage class antam. S3 storage classes. We discuss it later. For access logging, event page, these are not meant to us. This one is event to us. Starting website hosting. So permissions. So block on public access must be off. If it is off, then it must be private bucket or public bucket.
Public.
So block on public access on identity to private. If it is off, it must be a public bucket.
Public, operated private.
No. Block on public access, it must be on.
వేరే వాళ్ళు చూడటానికి ఇన్ కేస్ అలా ఆన్ ఉంటే కనుక వేరే వాళ్ళు చూడటానికి వస్తుంది.
If it is off, public. If it is on, private.
ఓకే
Okay, simple thing. Bucket policy. So we need to give the permissions to the bucket as well as the files and folders which are available in the bucket. So we need to generate the policy here. So access control list, okay, call some type and also label. And bucket metrics. Okay. So suppose if I'm going to work with the storage classes, so we have 3 to 4 storage classes available. Then you are going to discuss about the replication metrics, all the things. And management tab, we have life cycle rule. Okay. So the life cycle rules must be mentioned in your storage classes. At what time the bucket must move from one place to another place must be mentioned in this life cycle rule. So access points, we don't have the access point here. So mainly focus on two things: properties tab as well as permissions tab. In the properties tab, we have a term called bucket version. So what is bucket versioning? So before going to that, I just take a simple example. So I have a company. So I need to maintain annual report for every month. For every annual report for the every month. So, but I want to use the same file. Okay, but I need to upload same file. Okay, same file and multiple times. And what by changing the content. So what is the bucket version? Practical chuddam. Okay. So go to the buckets again. Just go to the buckets. Create one public bucket. Region must be your wish. I'm going to choose version bucket 9023. Uncheck it. Just click on what? Create bucket, not yet created. Must not contain uppercase letter. So yamandam B small as well as B small. Okay. So version bucket 9023. And I want to create the bucket. Just create the bucket. So now I want to create a notepad file. So I'm going to write annual report January sales $5 million. This is my thing. I want to store this file. Suppose file save. Version 1. Okay, version 1 on the. Now I want to upload this. I want to upload this. In which bucket?
Version bucket 5609.
56909023. Click on upload. Add files. Go to the PC. Let me check version 1. Version 1. Open it and upload it. Just upload it. If you want to view the content, open it. Same content is available here. So now I want to change the file. I want to make it as what? February sales. So 15 here. And save it. I'm going to upload the same file again. Go to the bucket. Upload it. Add files again. Check version 1. Open it. Just click on upload. What happens? We have only one file again. Again, we have only one file. Let me open it. It's going to show only February. What about January? Replace. Okay, so the file name is same. What happens? The content must be different and we lose the previous information also. So, but in order to avoid this type of problem, go to Properties tab. So choose bucket versioning. Click on Edit. Enable the bucket versioning. Click on Save Changes. So now the bucket versioning is enabled for this bucket. Go to Objects again. Now I want to change it. I want to change it as March sales 55 million. Save it and upload. Add files and version 1.
Upload.
Click on upload. So open the version.txt here. Open it. So we have March sales. In order to get the February month, what we need to do? We need to click on Show Versions. Click on the Show Versions. Select the L version here. Click on Open.
Okay.
Able to see the February sales also. So if you enable the bucket version, every bucket must be created with this version ID. Okay, the version ID. So I want to change content once again. I'm going to write it as April sales 105 million. Click on upload. Add files again. Check the version 1. Just click on upload here. Okay. Just wait a second. Okay. The file is successfully uploaded. So again, it's going to show only one file. So open it. Just click on open here. Able to see the only April sales. But what about the March and February? Show versions. Show versions. Second one, click on open it.
March.
It shows the March. And previous one, click on open it. It's going to show the. Okay. So in this manner, we are going to version change only. So
you upload
What are the files you upload newly? It must be displayed. The content of the particular bucket must be displayed. The remaining bucket content, remaining contents which are made previously must be override by the new one. Okay. So let me choose one more thing. So go to buckets here. So version bucket 9023. Suppose accidentally I deleted some file. Accidentally I deleted some file. So version 1. So instead of I thought that which is useless. So I just type to delete here. Click on delete objects. So what happened? The bucket got not contain any R. So but later some point of time I want to restore it. If bucket versioning is not enabled, what is the first point? If not enabled, the first thing here is the contents must be overridden. Okay, the content must be overridden. You upload the same file. Again, if the file is deleted, it's not possible to get the content. But in bucket versioning, I intentionally delete one file, and if you enable the show versions, what happens here? Automatically the file is available.
Enable చేస్తేనే it display అవుతుంది.
Display అవుతుంది. The file is available with which content here? Delete marker. So if you want to restore, just click on the same bucket. Sorry, same file name. Actions, not actions. Click on delete. Just click on delete. Type permanent delete here. Click on what? Delete objects. Go to buckets again. Okay, what happened again? The file must be restored. Okay.
Delete చేస్తే restore అయ్యి మనం delete చేస్తున్నాం.
Delete from this delete marker. You indicate it out. Delete from display. Restore to the actual place.
Okay. ఆ వర్షన్స్ లో delete అయ్యి actual place లో వస్తుంది.
Yes. Okay. So next one, and if I want to remove the content, so I'm going to upload one more file. Let me check. I'm going to create one more file. So I'm going to write the favorite sports. The file name is. Then cricket and hockey. And save it as version 2. Click on save. I upload one more file. Add files. Check version 2. Click on open it. And just click on and what? Just click on upload. So what happened? The file must be uploaded. Okay. Select version 2. Version 1 ID. So for version 2 also ID must be created.
ఓపెన్ చేస్తే అంటే మనం ప్రీవియస్ ఏం క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు.
ఏం చేయలేదు బట్ లేటెస్ట్ ఫైల్ వస్తుంది. చూస్ ది లేటెస్ట్ ఫైల్.
వర్షన్ 1 లేటెస్ట్ ఫైల్ వస్తుంది.
లేదు వర్షనింగ్ అనేది అన్ని ఫైల్స్ కొట్టే ఉంటుంది. సపోజ్ ఓపెన్ ది బకెట్. ఒక్క నిమిషం. సో 9023. The versioning must be applicable to all the files in the bucket. If you choose
version 1 లో మనం సేవ్ చేయలేదు.
version 1 is one file, version 2 is another file.
Okay.
So show versions. So previously what we did, we perform operations on the version 1 only. Version 2 is what? Recently uploaded file. Let me check the content. Version 2. Open it. Facebook cricket, hockey. Click on show version and just open it. Shows what? Same cricket and all. No change will happen.
Same.
Version 1 కాదు. Suppose if you upload one more file also ఇవన్నీ కనిపిస్తాయి. Versioning must be applicable to the bucket files, not for the bucket. Bucket లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఫైల్స్ కి అప్లై అవుతుంది. ఓకే.
ఓకే. ఆ బకెట్ లో ఉన్న అన్ని ఫైల్స్ ని చూపిస్తుంది.
అన్ని ఫైల్స్. సపోజ్ ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం. I want to modify this file.
ఇన్ కేస్
Table is nothing.
ఓన్లీ ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఫోల్డర్ లో ఉన్న చూపిస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం అది వచ్చింది. Okay, suppose I'm going to write more some kabaddi and Coco. And save it, okay? And just save the file. Again, I'm going to upload the file. Upload, add files. Select more version 2 again. Open it. Click on upload. It shows only one file. Let me use the contents here. Just open it. So Kabaddi and Coco is there. But if you click on show versions, what happened? It's going to show 2 times. So this is the recent one. This is the old one. Just open it. Cricket and old one. You get the old one also. So in this manner, we are going to create version for multiple files. If the file is updated, it shows the L. If file is not updated, it shows the as is file like this. Okay. So now I want to remove the file. To remove all the files. So click on version bucket 9023. Go to properties. Bucket versioning. I'm going to suspend it. Save changes. So go to buckets again. Open the bucket. Okay, disable yes, చేయలేదని. Wait a second. సో ప్రీవియస్ మాత్రం ఉంటుంది. ప్రీవియస్ ఉంది కదా, ప్రీవియస్ కంటెంట్స్ మస్ట్ బి స్టోర్. ఇప్పటి నుంచి ఎనేబుల్. సపోజ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు మాడిఫై version 2 again. So go to the your objects here. Go to objects position. I want to Kabaddi, Coco and some football. And football and volleyball. I want to save this. Now I want to upload version D, add files, and version 2 again. Open, click on upload. The file is uploaded as well as replaced. Uploaded as well as replaced. Version 2, open it. Football and volleyball. So go to show versions. Is the previous one కదా? Yeah. చూద్దాం. Let me choose. Open.
Versions
లో యాడ్ అవుతుంది. బట్ అంటే మనము ఒక ఆప్షన్ చూసాం కదా, అది సరిగా ఏం చేసామంటే అప్లోడింగ్ ఎనేబుల్ చేయమని ఉంది అక్కడ. ప్రాపర్టీ చూద్దాం. సో ఎడిట్ ఇట్, ఎనేబుల్, సేవ్ చేంజెస్. లెట్ మీ ఎడిట్ ఇట్, సస్పెండ్. సో అట్లా చేయాలనుకుంటా. సో లైఫ్ సైకిల్ రూల్స్ పక్కన పెట్టండి. Existing objects in your buckets do not change. So newly added objects with the same name as an existing object. Replace the existing object. Click on save changes. So newly added objects. So go to your 9023 here. What is the version 1 here? Open version 1. April sales is there. So show versions. This recent one, ఇవి ఏముంటుంది మనకి, which also contains the April sales. So I'm going to change it. So I'm going to add it. So November sales, some 100 million. Save it and upload. So let me upload version 1 again. చూద్దాం ఏమొస్తుందో. Version 1 again. Just click on the upload button. Upload must be succeeded. So version 1 contains what? Sales. ఇక్కడ చూడండి. సో దీనికి ఎఫెక్ట్ అమౌంట్ లేదు, చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ నవంబరే ఉంటుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా నవంబరే ఉంటుంది. సో కొత్త ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ అనుకుంటా. ఐ థింక్ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ ఏ న్యూ ఫైల్. కొత్త ఫైల్ చేద్దాం. అవి ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ ఫైల్స్ కదా, న్యూ ఫైల్ చూద్దాం. సపోజ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు క్రియేట్ వాట్ ఏ న్యూ ఫైల్. సో ఏమందాం, like AWS and Azure and DevOps. File, save, and version 3. Okay. Go to properties. ఏం చేస్తుంది, డిజేబుల్ చేస్తామా? Disabled. I want to upload the file. Add file. So version 3, click on upload it. Just click on apply, upload here. Just close it. Version 3, just open it. It's going to show only Azure and DevOps. Show version చూద్దాం. Version 3 ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు చేంజ్ చేసి చూద్దాం అప్లై అవుతుందా లేదనేది. సో లెట్ మీ డూ. So Docker, Jenkins, some Ansible. Let me save this. Version bucket 9023. Upload this here, version 3. Just open and upload it. But అప్లై అవుతుంది, అది చూద్దాం అప్లై అవుతుందో లేదో. So version 3 replaced and Docker, Jenkins and Ansible. Click on the show versions. So what happened? Only the file must be available. So what? Same అదే ఉంటుంది. Second modification, Docker, Jenkins and Ansible. Already whatever the file replaced, that must be available. Suppose I'm going to modify the file once again. So I'm going to type .NET, Java and Python. So let me save it. And again I'm going to upload the file, add files, choose version 3 కదా, version 3 again. Just click on upload. So version 3 is there. Let me check in locally.
Okay.
Not a Java and Python. So show versions here. So what happens? Only one. So whatever the file you uploaded, same thing must be displayed. So ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? The versioning must be applicable to the previous existing files. For version 1 and version 2 files can be, the versioning concept must be applied. So after disabling the versioning, I'm going to upload the new file, version 3. So for this file, versioning is not up. That is the thing. Okay. So in this manner, we learned about what? S3 bucket versioning. Is clear? So let me delete the bucket now. So version bucket, click on what? So one more thing. Suppose if I am actually delete this file, version 2, click on delete. And type what? Permanently delete. Click on delete objects here. Automatically what happens? Show versions, which must be available with the delete marker. Why? Because the version 2 contains the versioning concept. Versioning must be enabled. So let me check this. Delete from delete marker.
delete చేస్తే మళ్ళీ నార్మల్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది.
మళ్ళీ ఏమవుతుంది ఇక్కడ మనకి? Even though versioning is disabled, so what happened? For this particular file, already in case of version 3, versioning is not enabled. I want to delete this file. Just type permanently delete. Just click on delete objects. Successfully deleted. Go to show versions. ఆ file ఉంటుందా? Version 3 dot document delete marker. Let me choose. Versioning enable అవదు బట్ ఏంటి? But which must be pointed by the deleted marker here. చూద్దాం ఎలా ఉంటుందో. Yes, refresh చేద్దాం. ఫైల్ ఉందా? Even delete mark ఉన్నా కానీ the file will not be restored. Why? Because versioning is not enabled to a particular file. Okay. So let me delete this bucket. So select this bucket and click on empty